Hey, how's it going everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a certified pre-owned 2018 E300 4MATIC. This one's black. Underneath it's a 2-liter 4-cylinder turbo pushing out 241 horsepower and 273 pounds of torque. This one does come with the luxury line, which is going to give you an emblem on the front hood, luxury exterior and interior look, front and rear LED daytime running lights, 17-inch multi-spoke alloys. The tires are in good condition. Black MB-Tex interior, panorama sunroof. Come around back, E300 4MATIC badging, power liftgate, clean set of floor mats, fold down rear seats. This one does come with the Premium 2 package, which is going to give you adaptive high beam assist, blind spot assist, Burmeister sound system, heated seats, memory seats, a burr walnut wood trim. Hopping in, we've got a touchpad steering wheel controls with Bluetooth capabilities, paddle shifters for extra performance, a burr walnut and leather steering wheel, push start ignition, rear view backup camera, navigation, gloss black center console, dual climate controls, wireless charging, USB port, dynamic select for different driving patterns, touchpad and wheel for infotainment center. This E-Class has 30,079 miles, Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this E300 4MATIC, check out feldmanimports.com.